Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Aline. Well, first of all, welcome to this video review. I'm glad you guys are here. Today I'm here to help you with any hearing conditions you may be facing or maybe hearing loss. So today I want to talk to you about Cortexi. Cortexi is a really cool supplement that was created exactly to help you with your hearing and repair any damages that maybe, you have gotten throughout the years. So if you want to have better hearing and also a better cognitive function, stay in this video, watch it until the end in order to know everything about it. Plus, I will be sharing some really cool info, so if you don't want to have regrets, miss out on these things, then just pay attention. This video will not take much of your time. So you need to know that actually if you want to purchase Cortexi, it is only available on their official website. So I'll be leaving the link for you guys just here below this video. Once you've finished hearing what I have to say here, you can go over there, get to know a little bit more about it, and that is where you need to be placing your order as well. So guys, Cortexi. Cortexi is actually a really cool supplement because it's natural and it comes in a liquid form. So Cortexi is, of course, years of studies, scientists from all over came together, studied and then tested and then studied again until they reached the Cortexi formula. So Cortexi is really great in helping you regain your hearing back, prevent hearing loss, also remove any inflammation that your hearing might be facing, your eardrums as well. Basically, it's going to restore the whole health of your ears, of your hearing, and your cognitive function, guys. It's going to help you think better, focus more, remember things more clearly, have a clearer mind as well. So Cortexi brings you a lot of cool benefits, not to mention, of course, better immune system and more energy levels. And you need to remember that since it is natural, it has absolutely no side effects and no contradictions whatsoever. It is very safe for both men and women of any age to actually use it. But of course, since it is natural, you need to remember that if you start your treatment today, don't expect that by tomorrow you're gonna have results. You need to be patient. Results start to show between 2 to 3 weeks of using Cortexi. The hearing and the brain thing, but immune system, energy levels, those things are fast. So just take your treatment seriously, use it every single day on a regular daily basis as well. And guys, remember, do not skip out on any days, do not interrupt your treatment, finish it properly, and after you finish your treatment, these results, they are permanent, so they're gonna last forever, which is awesome. And if you need a refund, Cortexi gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee from the very first day of your purchase, where you just go to the official website, talk to customer service, and they will help you get every single penny back, which is cool. So if you look at it on the bright side, you're not throwing your money away. 60 days is more than enough time for you to actually see cool results with Cortexi. All right, guys? So just visit the official website, read people's feedbacks. Maybe you're going to relate to a story or two. Check what natural ingredients it contains. I know they are very rich with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances, and read a little bit more about its story as well. For now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a beautiful day. Take care, and I will see you folks next time.